Hi, my name is Angela and I just moved back to Canada after studying abroad in Taiwan for the past 6 months. Because of coronavirus, my university is having all online classes, so I decided not to move back to Montreal this semester and instead to move in with my sister who's studying in Toronto. Today's video is an empty apartment tour of our 2-bedroom penthouse condo in downtown Toronto. If you're looking to live downtown, I hope you find this video helpful. Welcome to our new apartment. So first, when you come through the door, we have this little section here where we are going to use for like a little closet space to put our shoes and our coats. And then this is the other side of the entrance. So this is one of the bathrooms that we have right when you walk into the apartment. It has a shower. You can't really see it right now because I still haven't figured out how to turn on the lights. And then right next to it we have this little storage cupboard. Not sure what we're gonna put in there. And the hall continues to lead over to our kitchen area. And just in front here there is our laundry machine. So we have our washer and dryer in this little storage area here. And then we move on to our kitchen. So we have our fridge and our freezer. And I just like how they kind of are hidden. They're not very obvious that it is the fridge and freezer, so it works really well with the rest of the kitchen. And then obviously we have a bunch of storage here. We have our sink, our stove top, and under the stove we've got our dishwasher here. And then we've got our microwave and our oven on the sides here. The coolest part I think about this apartment is that to open it, you just kind of push on it and it automatically bounces up like this. And then it says press to close here. So to close it, you just press a little button. And that is how it works for all of the storage cabinets, which is really cool. So we just press that little dot there and it will close back up. And obviously the same for this one, which is really cool. And I like that they have glass shelves in there. And we've got our island right here. We've got some storage under here. This is the remote controls, which I'll show you in a second. And we have a nice big counter space here. We just brought these bar stools in, but let me show you my favorite part of this apartment. As you can see, you can already see the view a little bit, but when I hit the little button here and we just click up, all of these awesome windows are gonna pop open nice and slowly to reveal the beautiful view. We've got the stunning view of Lakeshore here, of Lake Ontario, and it is just absolutely stunning. So that is our view from this apartment, and I just love how huge these windows are, and they stretch all the way from inside the first bedroom and all the way to the other side. And so now you can see that the kitchen is a lot brighter here. So now from the kitchen area, we can move over to this side. We have this big beam right in the middle, which I don't know how I feel about it yet, but this is the doorway to our balcony. And then this is the entryway to the first, or the so-called master bedroom, because it has an ensuite in it. And so we have just some boxes. We've got our mattress and our bed frame there. But this is the room itself. It's not very big. However, this is, I think, the normal size for bedrooms in downtown. So this gives you like a good idea of what it's like to live in downtown Toronto. And then this is kind of the washroom area. We have 2 closets on both sides here. So on one side, this is how big the closet is. It's not too bad. It's nice and spacious in there. And then if we close that and move to the other side, we've got our second closet space here. And then we move forward here into the ensuite bathroom. We've got our sink and our toilet here. And then if we pan around, we've got this cupboard here for your medicine cabinet. And it's quite large, so you can definitely store a lot in there. And then we've got some towel racks around the perimeter here. And then on this side is our shower. And so this is the tub, so that's the bathroom area. So then we'll walk back out to get a better view of the bedroom. The one annoying thing about the apartment is that the window comes at a weird angle, as you can see, so it's not like a perfectly rectangular room, which makes it a little bit difficult to put furniture in. And this is where the balcony is, and we have this screen, and then we've got our little balcony area. So if I just pop this open, this is one side of the balcony. Again, absolutely stunning view from up here. I'm a little bit afraid of heights, so I'm just gonna stand in this spot. But as you can see, it's nice and spacious. It goes all the way to the end over there. And then onto the other side of the apartment, we have the second bedroom, and this one does not have a washroom with it, but it is a little bit more well laid out in terms of the space because the angle is not as sharp on this one. So it's a little bit easier to put furniture in. So we have two closets in this room as well, as you can see. So those are the two closets. They're decently spacious. This is the entrance to the bedroom, and for the door, what you can actually see is that when you pull this guy here, you don't have to touch it, and that will close by itself. So that is the entire apartment, as you can see. I might just go over here to get a better view of the washroom, just because now we have a little bit more light here. So that is the second washroom, which is near to our entranceway here. And this is again, the little closet area that we are going to try to make look more like a closet. But yeah, that is the whole apartment. So that was our empty apartment tour. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more videos of my life in downtown Toronto, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more. Bye!